How much does car detailing cost? Even if running your automobile through the nearby automatic car wash makes the exterior look gleaming, it may not have cleaned all of your car's nooks and crannies. Detailing is just routine maintenance for the parts of your automobile that you interact with and notice every day. It is included in the overall cost of car ownership. A shiny car will fetch a higher price when it is time to sell. Depending on the size of your vehicle and the number of services you choose, getting your automobile detailed can cost anywhere from $75 for a partial detail to a full interior and exterior cleaning for $100 to $225. Consider the ins and outs of the service as well as techniques to make your car feel brand new without spending the extra money before deciding to pay for a full cleaning. So, let's learn about the car detailing cost. Cost by package. Depending on the size of your car and the exact services, a basic detail service will cost between $50 and $150. If you're purchasing a package, upgrading services can easily add up to $175 to that price. However, certain packages that include protection for your automobile, such as treating the carpet and upholstery with stain prevention and sealing and waxing the paint, can cost $1,000 or more, which is far more than the cost of basic services. The price for basic autos might range from $50 to $125 per hour if you're paying by the hour. The price range for larger cars is $75 to $150. Size of your vehicle. Since there is less to clean on smaller cars, detail services are less expensive. The price difference between a detail on a sedan and a huge SUV for the same service might be more than $60 depending on the package and services. Trim package. The cost of your detail can sometimes increase with how opulent your vehicle is. Even though a pricier car won't always cost more detail, some features, like leather seats and chrome interiors, might. Chosen services. Some detail shops provide various service packages that get more expensive as more services are added. For instance, regardless of the size of the car, a premium detail package can cost over $100 more than a basic detail package. Add-on services. Some services, such as removing pet hair or scratches, eliminating smoke or odors, and restoring headlights, are either available as add-ons or are charged separately. The frequency of car detailing is determined by a number of variables. The main aspect is typically how frequently you use your car. You should get it detailed more frequently as you use it more. The region you live in also has an impact on how often you detail your automobile. People who live close to the ocean or in locations where salt deposits frequently build on the roadways should have their cars detailed more frequently than those who reside in warm climates. In general, you should detail your automobile 2 or 3 times a year at the very least. However, if you frequently wash, wax, and clean your car, you can get away with detailing it just once or twice a year. You may have heard the popular misconception that detailing your car too frequently is bad. Getting your car detailed more frequently won't have a negative effect as long as your detailer is knowledgeable and doesn't harm the car in any way. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.